This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. Sited in the lovely community of Buckeye Pointe is this delightful 4-bedroom, 3-bath Waterview home. The desirable layout offers an open concept floor plan with vaulted ceilings, arched entranceways, decorative planter shelves and a freshly painted interior. The eat-in kitchen features a center island, tile backsplash, closet pantry and stainless steel appliance package. The generously sized great room is enhanced with floor-to-ceiling windows that offer stunning pond front views. The spacious master bedroom suite offers enough space to accommodate large furniture and also features a walk-in closet. The luxurious master bathroom is equipped with a soaking tub, dual sinks, water closet, separate tiled shower and a linen closet. Other amenities include a laundry room with washer and dryer, new vinyl plank flooring throughout main living areas, new carpeting in all bedrooms, foyer, formal dining room, gas water heater, updated HVAC system, Cat 5 Ethernet outlets throughout, gutters, leaded glass front door, black steel surface mount security door, new ceiling fans, surround sound speakers in great room, decorative stone landscape curbing, alarm system and a 2-car garage with door opener. This wonderful property is conveniently located near shopping, restaurants, schools, medical facilities, and Legoland. For more information,